Hi. I heard that your firm missed its quarterly earnings number due to a currency loss.
Yes, it's true. The markets have been volatile.
But your firm has always hedged its FX risk, isn't that true?
Yes, but the markets have been volatile.
What did your chief financial officer say about the loss?
She wasn't in a good mood. And someone on the board asked what Treasury was doing.
How big was the loss?
It translated to 3 cents a share.
That's tough. Do you know what happened?
Not really. The guy that created the spreadsheet that we use for exposure management left last year, and we have had problems making the spreadsheet work.
How did the loss happen?
Someone in our Swiss Treasury Center entered a large receivable in the system, but they got the currency wrong. When we went to do the hedges, the amount seemed larger than normal.
So what did you do?
We mailed the Swiss Treasury Center, and they said that they had entered amounts as they've always done.
So did you do the hedge?
Not yet. We also tried to look at past exposure amounts for the Swiss Treasury, but that part of the spreadsheet wasn't working.
So you did the hedge?
Yes.
And then what happened?
At the month-end reconciliation, the Swiss Treasury Center found the error.
Then what happened?
We called the bankers, but they said that the markets had been very volatile. So the banks charged us a lot of money to reverse the trade.
What happens now?
I have to create a presentation for the board of directors, saying what steps will be taken to avoid another loss.
What's your plan?
I've considered creating a whole new spreadsheet. But the current spreadsheet was worked on by a lot of people over the course of a lot of years. And I'm just not that good at programming. Also, there's a time element.
So what are you going to propose?
I've heard about a solution that is used by one of our competitors. It is a technology solution offered by Atlas Risk Advisory, called Atlas FX.
So they have a better spreadsheet?
No, it's not spreadsheet-based.
So how does it work?
Atlas FX links to our own ERP systems to create accurate and timely exposure forecasts.
But won't the Swiss Treasury still be entering exposure numbers?
Not directly. The business units will continue to enter their own balance sheet and income information into their own ERP system, but Atlas FX will pull the information that it needs to create a current exposure profile and recommended hedge trades.
But isn't it hard to pull data from Oracle or SAP? I heard about a firm that spent hundreds of thousands of dollars with a software provider to link exposure management to their ERP systems.
No. I spoke to an Atlas FX customer, and the Atlas technology makes the linkage quite easy, and with no extra charges.
What about IT?
Atlas has a file request document created for IT, so IT said it's not a problem.
It sounds like you've got it sorted.
Yes, I hope so. But I have a lot to do, so I'd better get back to work.
Best of luck.
Thanks.